Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Reado. If you want to create an account on Reado, then this is a quick tutorial. First of all, go ahead and open up the Reado application on your mobile device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, go and open up your Google Play Store or your App Store and install the app. Once you have the app installed, tap on it to launch it open. Now, in the first welcome screen, to create a new account, go ahead and tap on I am new to Reado. On the next page, go ahead and choose one of the options to sign up with. You can continue signing up with your Apple ID, Google account, or with your Facebook account, and even with your email. I'm going to have to choose the continue with email option at the bottom. Now on the next page, you'll be prompted to enter your email. Enter a valid email address that you have access to in the text box. Once done, tap on continue. You'll then receive a confirmation link sent to you via your email. Open up your email inbox. Make sure to open up the same email that you just registered with, and then you'll be able to see this kind of a link. Simply tap on this black button and then click on this open button, and you will then be able to see this page. Type down a username for yourself and click on save. And there you have successfully created an account on Reado. You can now start exploring books from the available library. And that's it. That is how you easily sign up for Reado. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.